A portable generator will supply emergency power, but you can only back up the things that can be plugged directly into the generator. A Generac automatic standby generator powers entire circuits and everything on those circuits. For example, if you choose to back up the family room, the TV, stereo, lamps, ceiling fans, and lights are all powered by the generator. Select the kitchen, and you'll be able to use the stove, refrigerator, microwave, overhead lights, and all of the outlets. Best of all, when the power goes out, you can just sit and relax, knowing that your Generac automatic standby generator will automatically start supplying power within seconds. What could be easier?